Now, why are we using steam? Take away the smell, sanitize the area, make it look much pleasant. So this is one of the advantages of using steam to clean. You get a much deeper cleaner, and you get to remove things that normally may not be able to remove easily. So that's one of the reasons why steam cleaning is the best way to clean. No? Ay. Okay, need the steamer. Okay. Okay, no problem. Yeah, get up here. Compared to this, which is not clean, and this one, which is clean, so you can see what we're doing. So what we're doing is we're removing this, and what we are using, like we say, we create the soap that is going to address the problem. So we always create the soap that is going to address the problem. So what we're doing is taking it all off. So all this is going to be taken off. So as you can see, the side, you can see the finished part, and then coming on the side. So that's part of the detail cleaning that we do. Stairways, clean the stairways too. Just come down over here, cleaned out. All this is cleaned out. This window, glass door, nicely done. Floor vacuumed. Glass nicely cleaned. Inside the closet, clean too. And we come here. Got this bathroom, this kitchen. This kitchen is cleaned out, backsplash, everything is nicely done. Right? Inside the refrigerator, it's cleaned out. Nicely done. Carpet vacuumed. Inside here, nicely cleaned out. Everything looks clean, nicely done. Sparkling surfaces. Inside the toilet cleaned out. Everything is nicely done. And you can see this thing. And there we go. Same thing here. Windows clean, floor mopped, looks clean, and we're good to go. And we come in here, have another bathroom here, nicely cleaned out. This stuff doesn't come out, so it's all cleaned. Oh, this is clean. This is cleaned out. Wonder where they're coming from. All right, all done.